What are some issues that get authors flagged by Amazon's bots? I would highly recommend that you sit down and read the Amazon KDP Terms of Service. Understand those terms and abide by them to the letter. That will eliminate the majority of your problems. All right. But if I could think of a few things, one would be including your book in Kindle Unlimited, which is an exclusive program, and then trying to sell it elsewhere. That'll get you flagged really quickly. Another thing that gets people flagged is including stuff in your metadata that is not on your cover. So if you've got your book cover that says one thing, but then your title and your subtitles say another thing, Amazon inconsistently enforces that, but you don't want to be on the receiving end of enforcing if that happens. And last but not least, don't do scammy crap. If someone's doing something that kind of skirts the line of the KDP terms of service, don't do it, even though it could make you money, because you don't want to make that money and then get your account canceled. So read the terms of service, abide by them, and you should be fine.